Welcome to the Animal Welfare. There will be more interactive video explain about Chow Chow dog breed in this channel. Without further ado, let's begin. As the fact that Chow Chow is a large, weight in between 18 to 31.5 kilograms, height in between 46 to 56 centimeters, compact, bear-like dog with a thick, abundant top coat, a woolly undercoat and a tail curled over its back. This breed is gaining in popularity, and with their striking looks they're sure to leave a lasting impression on everyone who lays eyes on them. From the study shown, the lifespan of Chow Chow dog is around 12 to 15-year-olds. The Chow Chow has a blue-black tongue, as does the Shar-Pei, polar bears and giraffes. They have 44 teeth unlike all other dogs which have 42 teeth. As the Chow Chow has deep-set eyes, they have poor peripheral vision, so always make sure you approach them from the front. The Chow Chow does not require a lot of exercise, about an hour daily, but they do like the outdoors, and are quite happy doing their own thing in the back garden. They must have somewhere shaded and cool that they can retreat to in warm and hot weather. Too much exercise too young can lead to bone and joint problems in later life, so exercise must be monitored closely. The Chow Chow is a large dog with territorial tendencies, so they do best in a large house with a big well-fenced garden. They need to have shade, so they can enjoy the outdoors without getting overheated. Chow Chows are resistant to obedience training, but do need to be taught to walk well on a lead, and should have plenty of early and ongoing socialization. They are unlikely to be particularly social to dogs or people they don't know, but they do need to learn to tolerate them. ANY training should be done with positive reinforcement, as this breed does not tolerate being told off. Your Chow Chow's diet needs to have the right balance of all the main nutrient groups, including a constant supply of fresh water. It's important to conduct regular body condition scores to ensure you keep your dog in ideal shape, and remember to feed them at least twice daily, and in accordance with the feeding guidelines of their particular food. Both Chow coats are dense and straight. The rough variety is coarse textured, standoff, not excessive in length, and the undercoat is soft and woolly. There is thicker hair around the neck and the backs of the thighs. This rough coat needs grooming daily. The smooth coat is shorter and needs grooming 2 or 3 times a week. The most common health problems in the Chow are elbow dysplasia and eyelid problems. Like many breeds, they can also suffer hip dysplasia, a condition that can lead to mobility problems. Hip scoring of dogs prior to breeding is therefore important. Some are also prone to cruciate problems. The Chow Chow doesn't make a great family dog, as they are not particularly tolerant or playful, although they can learn to live with sensible older children. While many dogs are traditionally thought of as being good with children, all dogs and children need to be taught to get on with and respect each other, and be safe together. Even so, dogs and young children should never be left alone together, and adults should supervise all interactions between them. Let's see some Chow Chow interactive short clips in the few minutes. There will be more informative video to be uploaded weekly in this channel. Please do subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and enjoy with the latest videos. Thank you.